So let's look at the fruitcake fucking weirdo. At times, there are many worthy candidates. This year, we are proud to honor Caitlyn Jenner, embracing her identity and doing so in a public way to help move forward a constructive dialogue about progress and acceptance. Yeah, it's brainwashing and non-accountability for your fucking actions, you dickweeds. But the thing here is that this is the lady in red. This is the deceiver. A man playing a woman. Everybody's got this idea that the Antichrist is a guy. It's not. It's a woman playing a man. And it's the pantheon of this whole thing, of the woman portraying the man. So then over here they're saying, oh, he got his idea for his hair from this cunt over here. All of them, I'm sorry, your favorite actor is part of this club scum, right? So when we look at this picture here, you notice that that's normally your yin and your yang, right? You'd have another one going this way. So you would have another one with another dot up here. Right? And then you'd have another one drawn in black. So I will try and draw that, which is going to be a disaster, but I'm going to try. So it would be like this, and then it would whip down around like that, and whatever. Going the other way, or whatever. I'm sorry, going this way. So it would be going like that, something like that. And this dot should be over here. What's being shown here is the system is unbalanced. You notice how the yin and yang, you got the dot here and here. Well, what that is when you look at a yin and a yang picture, let me see if I can find a picture for you. When you look at a picture of yin and yang, what you're looking at is a two-dimensional version of a three-dimensional. Okay? So what this is negative. This is a negative charge, right? So this is a negative charge. Let me just put that in there. Well, I'll just do it like this. There's a negative, and then this here, right here, is a positive charge. Okay? Now, this hole here is a negative charge, and this one here is a positive charge. So when I say it's 3D, imagine that this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Okay, so this would really be up on top here, and this one would really be here. And there's a line that goes between the two, like a magnet. Okay, like a magnet. So this is basically what you're seeing is it's magnetic. Oops. All right, so that's what you're seing. A place where you can find this and you can actually look at it. Anything that you charge, a charger that you plug in, like if it's round, if you look on the side of it, when you go to plug it in your appliance, you'll see it. It'll look like a C, and it'll have a plus in it. And then on top of it, it'll have a negative. Because that's telling you it's a positive pin or positive pole. If the negative is on the side and the plus is above, then that's a negative pole. So what they're showing you is one is male and one is female. When we look at this bullshit over here, when we look at this, it's unbalanced because it doesn't have the rest of it. It doesn't have the rest of it. Now you're seeing that it's the way they've got it drawn. It's a positive and a positive. That's bad. That's real bad. A positive and a positive doesn't work. They repel each other. So this is what they're showing you right here. You got a positive here, Trying to get that lined up. And you got a positive here. That's bad. It's repelling. This one here needs to be a negative, or this needs to be a negative. This needs to be a positive, and then you have to have it. The system. What it's showing you is the system is completely fucking out of whack right now. It's completely out of fucking whack, as you can tell by this fruitcake over here. It's completely flipped upside down and fucked up, and yet the world embraces it like it's some kind of wonderful thing. It's not wonderful. It's not the way it was created. It's fucked, and it's causing all kinds of problems. And if you understand from watching The Matrix or whatever, the lady in red, I'm going to give you an example. John Dillinger, when he supposedly got shot, who set him up to be killed? Go read about it. When he walked out of the theater, how did they know which guy was John Dillinger? Because he was standing next to the lady in red. That's how he was identified. That's how they knew who to shoot. Because he was standing next to the lady in red. She's the murderer. Right here. But y'all go ahead. Keep on clapping. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Great. Wonderful. Welcome your own destruction, you dumb shits. Morons. Keep eating your shit sandwich. That's all I can tell you.